You want fast internet, but you don't have a cable connection at home? No problem. This little multi-talent brings Wi-Fi, phone service, and LTE power straight to your house. Stick around because today we'll take a look at what this device can really do, and whether it's worth your money. So what do you get with this little powerhouse? In short, everything you need for a modern home network without any cable line. The Fritz box connects directly via mobile network, either over 4G or in the newer version, even over 5G. That's super practical if you don't have DSL or cable where you live. For example, in a vacation home, in rural areas, or in new buildings. And don't worry, setup is super easy. Pop in the SIM card, plug in the power, and you're online. Everything is controlled through the familiar, very user-friendly interface you may already know from other Fritz box models. The box also delivers solid performance when it comes to Wi-Fi. With dual-band Wi-Fi on 2.4 and 5 GHz, it reliably supplies your home with fast internet. Under ideal conditions, you can reach up to 866 megabits per second, more than enough for streaming, working from home, or multiple devices at the same time. Sure, with the LTE version, you're technically limited to around 150 megabits per second, but in everyday use, that's perfectly fine for most applications. What really makes this box stand out, it's not just a router, it's also your phone hub. Thanks to the integrated DECT base station, you can connect up to 6 cordless phones directly, and analog phones or even a fax machine can be hooked up as well. Calls are handled via voice over IP, with really good sound quality. On top of that, you get 4 fast LAN ports, a USB 3.0 port for storage or a printer, plus smart features like mesh Wi-Fi, media server, and NAS functions. That way, you can manage your entire home network centrally and conveniently. The design, simple, compact, and typically AVM, red and white, solid build, just discreetly practical. And even though it does so much, it only uses around 6 watts of power while running, so it's a pretty energy efficient companion too. So if you're looking for a flexible solution for stable internet without sacrificing comfort, this could be exactly what you need. You'll find links to the best deals down in the video description. Go take a look. So, what are the pros and cons? Pros: works anywhere with mobile network coverage. Good Wi-Fi performance with dual band, router, phone system, and media server in one. Easy setup and operation. Supports mesh Wi-Fi and smart home. Cons: LTE speed limited to about 150 megabits per second. Performance depends on cell network quality. No backup power, no internet during outages. Performance drops with many devices connected. Wi-Fi range can be tight for very large houses. If you're looking for a smart, all-in-one solution for internet, Wi-Fi, and phone service, and you want it all without DSL or cable, this is a real insider tip. It's especially worth checking out for homes or offices in rural areas. Feel free to check the product links in the description. You'll find current deals there. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you next time.